How's it going, guys? I'm going to be showing you two really quick ways to update your inventory. It's quick and easy. So first one we have right here is on the portal. We have the catalog. From there, we can just search up whatever item it is that we're trying to update the inventory for. Let's pretend it's just 750 ml Tito's. We'll click it. From there, we'll go to inventory here on the left. And then right here, quantity in hand, we can just change that to whatever it is. And then from there, we just press save at the bottom right. Then it goes in. So that was option one. Here's option two. All you need is an iPad or a tablet. You could even use the terminal in your store and just have the LiquorBee app pulled up. From there, you can just search up. Again, let's pretend it's Tito's. Search up. And then we're going to do this 1 liter here on the bottom right. You just hold it down, hard press. And then in the middle, you see quantity in stock. If you press that pencil, you can just update it to however many you count. We recommend starting in the front of your store, and then from there, moving to the back to get what's on your storage. Thank you.